This is Alamo City River Driver. Here I'm at Breckenridge. Just ate my lunch and I'm going to continue my practice of the 10-minute walk to reduce the sugar spike after eating, and you will feel much better. Just got to practice on a regular basis. And this is the nice shady park of Breckenridge. That's why I'm deciding to do the walk. Get some shade here at least. Protection from the heat of the sun. So, my 10-minute walk. Hope you enjoy the view. So I got some dirt trails to hike and bike. I'm sure many of y'all been here before or passed through here, but they do got some pretty nice trails. I'll just do the 10-minute walk today. Nice, beautiful pecan trees, oak trees, cypress trees along the river. Oh, let me go down here to these trails. You got more shade. You're closer to the creek. And I think that's the train, the zoo. There's a little creek there. The river. Alive. It's not too hot and muggy right now. Everything's green. Usually not this green. And that tells you we've been getting more rain this year. So try to get out and do your 10-minute walk after you eat your big meal, usually lunch. Your biggest meal, that's one that's recommended. So like once a day, it's good. That's a big pecan tree. There's some of the creek. It's a nice hike too. Another thing when I do my walk, I practice the Buteyko method, oxygen advantage. So I strictly breathe through the nose. And of course, when I'm talking, I have to exhale through the mouth. So I'll be quiet for now. Okay, that's my 10-minute, 5-minute walk back to the Chevy tracks. just completed my 10-minute, actually it was a little bit longer, about 12-minute sugar spike control walk after eating heavy meal, like lunchtime. All right, y'all got get out there and do it too, and especially Uber and Lyft drivers. You know, you need to stretch the legs sometimes if you can. I know if you have leg problems, it can be challenging, but try to get out there and do that.